Hello besties, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. What I have here is tomato paste egg sauce. Yes, I prepared it using only tomato paste. Do you know that you can actually eat your noodles, aka indomie, with any choice of your sauce like egg sauce, carrot sauce, tomato sauce, vegetable sauce, anything at all, even stew. Yes, I just boil your noodles, then eat with any choice of your sauce. So I started first by boiling my indomie. Yes, I boiled it, sieve it, then reboiled it again and added a little salt to it. I didn't add the spices, yes, because I'm using sauce and the sauce is already spiced. So what is the need of adding spice? So after boiling the indomie, I sieve the water, add a little more water to it, then add in my salt, and once the water boiled, I added the noodles, cover it up to boil a little more to my texture. I don't want it to stick together. As you can see in the picture, it's still it didn't stick together. So I sieved the water. I didn't allow it to dry there. Then I sieve it. Dish adds the indomie in the plate. Then add in my sauce. Add in my tomato sauce and eat it like I'm eating my yam and egg sauce or white rice with egg sauce or potato or anything. So you can also enjoy your noodles this way. And please, if you love this video and you learned something new, please do wait to subscribe, like this video and comment. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.